What could be more cozy than a tea latte? How about 5 tea lattes? In this video, we're going to show you 5 tea latte recipes with a bonus. Each recipe also includes restorative adaptogen ingredients. What's an adaptogen? It's an herb, root, or plant extract believed to help the body adapt to stress. Adaptogens have been used for centuries in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine and include plants like ashwagandha and rhodiola, holy basil, also known as tulsi, amla, ginseng, and maca, as well as medicinal mushrooms like reishi and cordyceps. Our first recipe uses another adaptogen, moringa, along with energizing matcha, in a white chocolate morning latte. First, we're bringing 1½ cups of canned coconut milk to a simmer. Once it simmers, add 1 bag of Organic India Tulsi Moringa tea and steep over heat for about 5 minutes. This tea combines tulsi with moringa. Tulsi helps support energy and the respiratory and immune systems, while moringa has a powerful antioxidant and mineral profile. Now that the tea has steeped, remove the tea bag, add 2 tablespoons of cacao butter. Cacao butter is the pure oil of the cacao bean, and it adds a creaminess and light chocolate aroma. We're also adding 1 teaspoon of Thrive Market Switch sweetener, but add whatever sweetener you prefer here, or you can omit. Next, add 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and whisk to incorporate. Serve right away. Our next tea latte uses turmeric and ginger in a warming, spicy almond milk latte. First, we're bringing 1 cup of filtered water to a boil, then adding 1 bag of Organic India's Tulsi Turmeric Ginger Tea. In Ayurveda, turmeric is used to support vitality and overall well-being. This tea blends turmeric with ginger and tulsi to help support digestive function, as well as other spices like cinnamon to support the body's immunity and inflammation response. Next, we're adding 1 cup of almond milk, a pinch of ground turmeric, and a teaspoon of honey to a saucepan over heat. Pull it off the heat once it comes up to a simmer. Fill a mug with your turmeric ginger tea, then top it off with the almond milk mixture and serve. Next is our chai spice latte, and we're going to start by bringing a cup of filtered water to a boil. Add 1 bag of Organic India Tulsi Masala Chai Tea. Steep over heat for about 5 minutes and set aside. Next, add a cup of almond milk to a saucepan over heat. While it's heating, add ½ a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and whisk to incorporate. Next, add 1 teaspoon of honey and whisk again. Once it starts to bubble, take it off the heat. Fill a mug about 2/3 full with your steeped tea, followed by your nut milk mixture. Top it off with a cinnamon stick and serve. For our coconut ashwagandha latte, we're adding 1½ cups of canned coconut milk to a saucepan over heat. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of Organic India Vital Lift powder, and we're going to whisk it until the milk comes up to a simmer. Vital Lift combines 3 fermented adaptogenic herbs, tulsi, ashwagandha, and amla. Ashwagandha is associated with energy and vitality, while amla is used to provide rejuvenation and is a tonic for overall health. Fermentation enhances the digestibility, flavor, and aroma of foods and herbs. Once the milk mixture starts to bubble, take it off the heat and serve. Last up is our rose and honeymoon milk. We start with 1 cup of filtered water over heat. Once it comes to a boil, add 1 tea bag of Organic India Sweet Tulsi Rose Tea. Let it steep over heat for 5 minutes and remove. In a new saucepan, add 1 cup of almond milk over heat. Add ½ a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a teaspoon of honey, and a teaspoon of Organic India Mindful Lift, and whisk to incorporate. Mindful Lift contains tulsi, ashwagandha, and gotu kola. Gotu kola offers support for the nervous system, a calm mind, and sound sleep. Once the mixture starts bubbling, remove it from heat. Fill a mug 2/3 of the way full with the rose tea, and top it off with the milk mixture. Garnish with dried rose petals and serve. Enjoy!